Beautiful day out. The birds are chirping. The pool's getting ready. The grass is green. It's 78 degrees out right now. I was wearing a tank top and shorts, but I'm gonna be heading to get the Ninja. We're gonna grab the motorcycle. It's 100 miles away from my parents' garage. So we're gonna take this. It's slightly windy, as you guys can see. It shouldn't be too bad. But we're gonna go take this 100 miles, grab the bike, and then ride it back. And then I gotta figure out how to get this rusty thing back, but all in due time. So I will check back with you guys once I get the bike. It's on the battery tender already. It needs an oil change. I'm gonna ride it here and then do an oil change. But I'm gonna stop at Cycle Gear because I want to see if they have, well, they should have for Cycle Gear, chain lube, chain brush, chain cleaner, and the cramp buster. I just want to see if they have the cramp buster to try it out. But let's unlock this Jeep. Let's get out of here. Oh yes, this thing's a piece of shit. Oh, it's so reliable. I mean, knock on wood. Oh god, it's giving me not really any issues. I think it needs new U-joints, but she starts right up. And just like that, we're back with the bike. Pulled her out of the garage, storage, whatever. Gave her a quick wipe down. She needs a better clean. You can see I parked it outside one day and I got a bunch of water spots from the sprinklers. So she needs She still has a full tank of gas, so I got to drive on it. Oil's good. I cleaned, brushed, and lubed the chain. Everything else seems tidy. I took her for a little bit of a drive to see if she's all good. She is all good. She's ready to go. So, we currently have a 100-mile commute back. It is about 78 degrees right now. I am dressed in my helmet, hoodie, pants, and shoes that I shouldn't be wearing. But you know what? We're gonna do it anyway. Side note, so GoPro's on. There's a microphone in there. We're just gonna go ahead and start riding. I need to get a new GoPro, I need to get a new mount for this, for my new phone. Other than that, so yeah, the phone has to stay in my pocket. So that's why we have the Apple Watch, which I use for navigation. It's the best thing ever. You don't have to look at your phone. Your wrist is right there. It vibrates and it pops up on your thing, and you just look at your wrist quick. But yeah, she's ready to go, so we're going to take her out. I hope you guys can hear me, by the way. In my brain, it's muffled because I have my AirPods in. But yeah, so we're gonna take her 100 miles back to town. Should be a good run. She's in my pocket. I'm gonna go back home and drop off the Jeep keys, and then we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy the day. It's, like I said, it's like 78 degrees. It's nice. Kind of warm with the hoodie on, but once I start moving, it should cool down a little bit. I will do a time-lapse video. I hope the GoPro battery lasts that long, but we're gonna do a time-lapse video of us going there. So, be back. The next scene, I'll be in Madison. Okay, so we're 50 miles in right now. About the halfway point. I pulled over. One, I can't feel my butt cheeks. Two, my core is absolutely destroyed. So I was going against the wind, and I looked on my phone because like the winds are very strong. I always drive on the highway all the time. I'm never getting destroyed like that. The winds are about 20 to 22 mile an hour winds right now. It's very windy outside. I don't know if you can see the trees are all getting blown around. I don't know if the mic's even catching it, but it's just windy outside. So, I also noticed that at some point I didn't tighten the GoPro enough, and 5 minutes into the winds, it was strong enough to actually push the GoPro down. So basically, I was riding around with a view of just like this right here instead of like that, so you guys can see. So where I adjusted it, I tightened it. We might get another like time lapse of the We might get another time lapse of the other half. But if not, oh well. But we're gonna try. We're gonna attempt to. But for now, we're gonna charge it up a little bit because it's at 30%. This battery's garbage. But yeah, we're gonna try. Okay, we're back. Kind of janky setup right now, but it's gonna have to work. Anyway, so we've made it. We're a couple miles away. We made it down to 1% on the GoPro, so I'm gonna cut off the video and vlog, or cut off the time warp and vlog the rest. So, I took a shorter route this time. So we're only at 85 miles. We'll probably hit 90. It's less scenic, but my ass hurts. Currently we're averaging 47.5 miles a gallon. Wow, we're out of gas. Now we got 39 miles of range. I left with a full tank. So to drive, well, it said a full tank. But anyway, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, see how the audio turns out on this. Oh, Dom. Anyway, Oh god, I miss this. Riding was a little sketch for the first couple miles, getting used to it again. And then, because where I live, I parked it in October. It was kind of a dusty road, that's why I was. But anyway, I kind of parked it in October, and we're currently, it's kind of actually early to pull it out. Like, we got a couple days of 70-some degree weather, 70, 75. And then it's actually gonna go back down to the 50s. So that should be nice, but I had to seize the opportunity that it was warm and try to bring it. But yeah, that's oh, I miss this thing. Yeah, today wasn't the like, oh, it was, I mean, it's still fun, don't get me wrong, but today was not the most enjoyable ride, because even though it's nice out, I was getting absolutely destroyed by the wind. My neck hurts, my shoulders hurt, my arms hurt. I was getting assaulted by the wind. That was the worst highway. I've driven this road a bunch of times. So it's the worst highway journey I've had. The worst. My legs hurt, my arms hurt, my shoulders hurt. It's a great workout. Traps, everything hurts. But we made it. We're a couple miles away from the apartment. It's all city driving now. Let's take off from here. I hope you guys like the vlog, like sound coming out of it. I'm always worried about sound quality because I can't actually see it. I can see what the video looks like, but I can't see what the sound looks like. We'll do a pull from the slide over here if we get the chance. I gotta take this Camry. But I don't know if this is like a short light. Yeah, I knew it was a short light. Oh man. This thing just doesn't get old. This thing has enough power to keep you happy. It has enough power to get you out of trouble. It has enough power to keep you happy. I don't think you'll grow out of it. It's like everyone says, very nimble, very quick bike. I've been looking at getting a little bit bigger one. I would skip the 650 personally since I have this. I don't think the 650 is that big of a difference to pay the difference to jump up to and go through the whole swapping out bikes process. If you're gonna go up to a bike and you think the 400 is not enough and you want to go up, I'd just say go to the 1000 SX. I just don't think that's 650. I've ridden one. It is faster, but if you already have one of these, it's not much faster. It has a higher top speed and it will cruise on the highway better, but this is good enough. I mean, aside from those winds, I was still cruising at great speeds. You know, it'll maintain what, 75 miles an hour. You'll be at like 7,500 RPM, 8,000 RPM. That's the mark I remember. So basically, put 7,000 Miata. Oh, I love Miatas. Anyway, oh my God, it's a go-kart. Whee! Downshift. Downshift. Oh, this road was so sus last year because this whole thing was a dirt, like, dusty road. They redid all of it. So it was terrifying. Jumping on jumping over there, coming off over here. You were fighting for your life. Also, my brain is echoing. I don't know why. I might be deaf. Oh, the wind was beating my ears. I got new AirPods and I didn't get the right tips for them. But yeah, like, this thing is so flickable. It's so nimble. It's just a great ride. Yes, we're going 6th gear, 40 miles an hour. We're at a little under 4,000 RPM, so you have a lot of room to play with. Hey, look, a Maverick. These roads are so crappy. I crushed my nuts on that one before, so I have trauma from it. Whee! Oh, there's always a cop hiding up here, so you gotta be careful. Because some lady got ran over here from somebody speeding. Whee! They call me Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow! No, wait, that's the other guy. Shit. But yeah, they put this light thing in here to slow you down. I'm only going 41 to 35 and it still doesn't like it. Oh yes, look at these beautiful houses that are all like $400,000 or $500,000. All housing here is so expensive. You don't even get a backyard. These are like $700,000. Oh god, ugh. That's a dog. I wonder if they could hear me. That was an old lady. That's another dog. This is basically my ride. They're doing more sus construction over here. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This is like the best road to pull on over here, but I'm scared. Also, there's dust here. Oh god. Oh god, don't die. That's a sergeant. I see Fitchburg pulled their motorcycle squads out. Whee! Oh, look at all the people playing volleyball. Cool. Signal. Yeah, but this is overall a great ride. Even if I fought for my life. I miss this bike. Can't wait to take it out on more rides. Whee! Ah! Ah! If anyone wants to buy me a house, by the way, I'm more than, oh god, he has a Corvette. I'm willing to take an offer on you buying me a house. I do have a couple mods on the way. I have a new windshield coming, a little bit longer one. I have the small bladed mirror things, tiny like 1" by like 3" blade mirrors that like just jut out from the sides over here, just to get rid of these like ugly whiskers. They're probably not going to be usable at all, but like, it's my Ford Ranger. I got a Ford Ranger. Ford Ranger. And oh yeah, they closed this whole road. Oh, it's horrible. Ford Ranger. Whee! We survived. We made it. So I'll pull inside quick and then make a U-turn. Grab the garage door opener and we'll be good to go. But yeah. We survived, people. We survived. And we're still recording. God, I'm a fucking genius. I'm the smartest person I know. Minus the whole kickstand first gear thingy. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. You get to watch a 5-minute montage of me going 50 minutes in 5 minutes.